Today we discuss about crypto and digital currency. Have you ever heard about crypto or digital currency? Let's talk about the digital currency. Digital currency is a form of currency that exists only in digital or electronic form, without a physical counterpart. One of the most well-known digital currencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning it is not controlled by a central authority or institution. Digital currencies are stored in digital wallets, which can be accessed through a smartphone or computer. Transactions are conducted through a peer-to-peer network, which means that individuals can directly send and receive funds without the need for an intermediary, such as a bank. Let's talk about the benefits of digital currency. One of the benefits of digital currency is that it allows for fast and secure transactions, with low transaction fees. It also provides anonymity and privacy, as transactions do not require personal information. Some digital currencies, such as stablecoins, are backed by physical assets, such as gold or the US dollar, which provides stability and reduces volatility. However, digital currency is still a relatively new and evolving technology, and it is important to understand the risks and limitations associated with it. There have been instances of hacking and theft, and digital currencies can also be highly volatile. In summary, digital currency is a decentralized and digital medium of exchange that uses encryption techniques to secure transactions. It offers fast and secure transactions with low fees and provides anonymity and privacy. However, it is important to understand the risks and limitations associated with it. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and follow on Instagram for more updates.